Hello.
Hello.
All right, everybody, this ought to be fun to watch. Let me get this out of the way. That pan, you get down there for the time being. I'm going to pick up slack on this come along or hoist until I bear weight on it. And then it'll be slung between the two. And we're going to let it down here to the floor. And then she's going to bring it on in here. So I'm going to move y'all off to the back a little bit so that y'all can see why I stand right here. Let's see. Well, now we can take this off of wheels if we have to. But sitting on the ground, it is 37 inches. What do I have here?
36.
I have 36 and a half.
Huh?
Bam. Take the top off of it. It'll go right in.
Alright.
Let's see how long it is. 56 it says. Yep, 56. So let's see here.
How long for your 50 what?
They'll sit on it just fine.
Woohoo!
With a little gap in the middle.
High five.
Okay. Alright.
Now.
Well,
Are they sitting perfectly fine?
I want to show them the boxes. Alright, now I don't know where this thing's going to sit.
It's gonna go right under there.
If it goes right here, that means I got to...
Where else is it gonna sit?
What?
Where else is it gonna sit?
I don't know. It means I have to take the toolbox out. I mean, take the shelf out. The workbench. But it's not doing anything with holding up the toolbox anyway.
Yeah,
You gonna give them a
Oh yeah, that's asking me if they're sitting right where I show them.
Let them down, baby. They're 100 feet in the air.
100 feet is okay. There.
Got the keys?
It's on your truck key ring. Let me go get your truck keys. I just put it on that so you don't lose
I know what you did. I asked if you got the keys. I don't have any more 2x, do we? Well, I got 2x right here.
Okay, we can use it for 2x.
Well, yeah, I just got to cut it and then cut these up and make legs.
Perfect. Hopefully you guys can see.
Might want to get them a little closer, let them down one run.
Down. Somewhere. Okay.
Have the legs down.
Oh, okay.
A little bit bigger. Back and forth. Open and pitch out of the legs. Most time you just do it freehand. Up too high. There you go.
So, for our...
They figured out by now it's a toolbox.
Yes,
You took so long getting to them.
Yeah. For our toolbox, we have this the big drawer.
Check that out.
Comes with an Allen wrench.
We're putting on the wheels.
We're putting on wheels, which are already on.
This is going to get covered up.
Now you can pick it off. And to go with all the drawers, they have these little plates. These little, what are these?
Mats, drawer mats, drawer liners.
Little drawer liners to go with it. Put it in there. That's fun.
Yes. My question is, do I take the wooden top off, or do I set those two toolboxes behind me, this one and that one, on top of the wood?
No.
Only because I'm going to see one little strip of wood right in the center.
Just take this off.
But is the top thick enough to support it? No, we're just going to leave the top on there. But the top stand like these drawers. Alright, hold on. Good God. Good God. Give them to me.
So, and then we have these. How many?
There's a bag. There's a damn bag open.
1, 2, 3. We have 4. We know we have 3.
I'm going to have a razor knife out here in the shop.
We have 3 small drawers. Very big but small. Thin. Like this thin. In here. And then down here.
Big knife's not even out here. There's a bucket knife. That'll work.
That wasn't open. What the heck? They're making you do a lot of work. This is $500. Ready?
Hold on.
Oh! Let's go in the other one.
Here. Open the big drawer.
You almost didn't make it.
No, I almost did make it. Next drawer.
Next please. Right here. Right here.
That's almost didn't make it.
They open. Give me they're pretty hard to pull out for a second.
professional.
If my hand hadn't stopped it, I probably could have went down. Okay, next door. Okay, oh, we have two. Well, there's one. Oh, there's two. Go. You can't seem to make them in there.
I just thought that was gonna be the magic one right there.
Okay, this is the last one down here.
Alright, let's see. I dropped it straight down.
I didn't even stop it that time. I just let it fall. Okay. Now, now this is that big deep door that we're gonna put power tools in. And
Also, we have a lot of things like this that get set around that, and our tap sets.
And this?
Yes. That has to find the drawer. I'm not worried about here. Yeah, put these in there.
Okay, bottom drawer.
In the bottom drawer. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll bring you back when we get it all set up. I'm not going to draw this video out any longer. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, share this video, and share our channel with all your friends. And don't forget to stay safe, stay 6 feet apart, shelter in place, do your part.
And do not go anywhere unless you really need it.
That's what I said, but what she said too. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Cut them off. So this is the finished product. We cut the workbench out, as you can see. We notched this and placed it under here to keep this from, falling. And we got this pushed in. We added the boards from the workbench under here to help with the heavy workbench, I forgot what it's called.
What?
What's it called again? I forgot, literally. Toolbox. There you go. Sorry, guys.
Really?
Yes, it slipped my mind. Like you said, cheese off the cracker.
Your cheese didn't even make it out of the factory.
Oh, be quiet. And we got this one on there. We put this under here as well to hold this. Add some new screws. It's perfect. We got our wrenches in here. Metric regular ones, standard regular ones, standard ratchet wrenches, metric ratchet wrenches, standard ratchet wrenches, 2 sets, little tiny short wrenches, and our line wrenches that found. And in here is the power tools, as you can see. And in here we have all our hammers, and then we have the pry bars. That's their new home. And in here we have our little boxes, like these are our tap and die sets. This is our pipe tap and die set. This is our bearing and seal driver, calipers, and the new serpentine belt tool set. And in here we have our very long extensions, our 2 impacts, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drill, and let's see, here, and our battery driver. There. We got everything in there, all the battery power tools. And in here is nothing right now. And then we have our husky set, our bearing separator and puller set, and our basic fuel injection service kit. They all fit in there. Well, that one sort of fits. And this is a little area. It doesn't have a good magnet, but it works. And then you already know we have these drawers and these drawers. I like it in my favor. I Like a 9 out of 10. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Share your video with your friends, family, even your dog if you want to. And there are going to be some links in the description, right, Daddy, about the shirts?
Yeah.
Yes, there's going to be links in the description about the shirts. And y'all have a nice day. Stay 6 feet apart. Don't get yourself sick. Bye, guys. Oh, I just hit the camera.